Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened Capcut and added your text. Start now by selecting the text layer where speech will appear. Once done, tap the Text-to-Speech button and pick a voice that matches your tone. Make sure the text is exactly how you want it spoken, because edits after synthesis waste time. You'll also want to place the playhead at the start of the text clip so generated audio aligns. This first setup gets you into the editing flow and eliminates timing fixes later. You're ready to make the speech faster. Open the voice settings and slide the speed control upward. Small changes give natural results. If Capcut's TTS panel lacks a speed slider, synthesize the clip normally, export or keep it, then select the audio and use clip speed to increase playback rate. Once done, scrub through short segments and listen. If words blur, reduce speed slightly or shorten pauses in the text. By testing iteratively, you preserve clarity while saving time. Finish by trimming leading and trailing silence and aligning the faster TTS with your visuals. Once balanced, add quick fades of 1/2 to 1 second between clips to mask abrupt cuts. If speech sounds distorted or robotic after speeding up, resynthesize with shorter sentences or add commas and periods to guide pacing, or reduce speed slightly until it's clear. If problems persist, export the clip and process speed in a dedicated audio app, then re-import for final polish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.